Hey guys, today we are reviewing a USB alarm clock but also charging station. So let's go ahead and show you what you get. So power cable and plenty of cord. That is a plus, therefore you're not going to have to struggle with plugging it and setting it up. Oh yeah, this is nice and compact. Check this out, guys. Look how small this is. Fits in my hand. Snooze button. But it also is a charger. You have alarms, 2 different alarms, radio, set time, volume, sleep. On the back here you have Monday through Sunday, Monday through Friday, Saturday and Sunday. For alarms, dimmer, high to low, headphone you can plug in. Wow, this got it all, guys. So let's go ahead and plug this in. Plug this into the outlet and show you how it looks. So this is it, and in person it is much brighter than it looks. Temperature, it shows the temperature right down there. That's what this is for. So this is, I believe, the temperature gauge. So you have a radio. So you can tune and find your channels. Right down there it shows by turning this. Wow! Okay, for copyright reasons we can't let it play. Wow, so the radio works good. So not only is this a clock, a timer, a clock, a alarm clock, temperature, radio, this has it all. Back there is the speaker. You can change from Fahrenheit to Celsius back there as well, from 12-hour to 24 hours. This is really, really nice, guys. Check out your manual for more information, but if you're looking for a nice, stylish, compact clock that has temperature, a radio, 2 different alarms, I mean, this is really nice. And the nice thing is you can plug in extra speakers inside here with the AUX port if you wanted to, headphones in here. Wow. That's nice, guys. That's really nice. Not to mention the 2 USB charging ports right here. Wow. I'm impressed, guys. This is nice.